Well, we made it up to the cabin safe and sound. And Tammy's a little cross at me that
I was gonna mention.
we're not getting her truck sheltered.
Happy to have you join us.
Thanks for coming along.
I think I'm going to make Tammy happy first. Straight out of the gate. I'm going to go ahead and power wash her truck. Get rid of the winter dirt and grime on this little cabin beast. And that'll be a nice little surprise for her. So I'm going to do that now.
Alrighty, we're pulling into the green waste. Cute little place that it is. Every time we come to the green waste, Tammy has to help him get his Bluetooth working on his phone. Must be his pickup line.
Got to actually get you working, hon. Tammy's doing a fine job showing everybody up how it's done. What's your thoughts, hon?
Nice to get these out of the yard, right?
Heck yeah.
He's so darn nice.
He is a nice guy.
He is super nice. And it's funny because every time we come, he's always asking me how to do something on his phone. And he did again.
Well, everyone has their own pickup lines.
That is not it.
Yes.
He legit just needs help with this.
Yep. I'm not buying it.
All right, we got our tree logging done for the day. We're exhausted, and like most of us, when we're tired, we need a new project. So we got to get the pad cleared off. They're going to come tomorrow and install our carport. So we've got to move what you see here out of the way. I got Tammy to help me. She's going to bust out on the four-wheeler, and I'll probably won't see her for a day. But we got to get this cleared out for tomorrow. They're going to be here at 11 o'clock.